Looking for the best value? Before you buy any banana plugs, you need to see this. It's the ultimate guide. In this video, I picked the best banana plugs of 2026 based on performance, quality, features, and overall value. To save you hours of research, I've compared the top options, checked real user reviews, and narrowed them down to the very best picks. You'll find the latest prices and links in the description below. Subscribe for honest reviews. Now, let's get started. First up, we're checking out the Nakamichi Excel Series banana plug. Boasting a prestigious and rich legacy that spans all the way back to 1948, these premium connectors utilize a high-purity copper core with direct 24K gold plating to prevent any unwanted audio signal distortion. The specialized dual-set screw mechanism ensures a remarkably secure grip on bare wires or PVC jackets, providing superior physical stability and clean transmission for your high-fidelity home setup. Color-coded sleeves make identifying polarity an absolute breeze even in the most cluttered and tight areas behind your home theater receiver gear. This set is backed by an extensive 3-year warranty, reflecting the legendary professional engineering and high-end quality the entire world expects from the Nakamichi brand today. These are the perfect choice for enthusiasts who want professional-grade reliability and a history of excellence in every single connection. Next, we have the Monoprice Speaker Banana Plugs. These high-grade brass connectors are meticulously finished with a thick 24K gold plating to resist environmental corrosion and ensure the highest possible level of long-term audio clarity. They offer fantastic installation versatility, allowing for secure connections with both bare wires and spade terminations on speaker cables ranging from 12 to 18 AWG in thickness. The distinct red and black rings eliminate any potential confusion regarding polarity during the installation of your surround sound system, keeping your phase perfectly aligned. With 10 plugs included in every single package, Monoprice gives you exactly what is needed for a professional 5-speaker theater setup that guarantees solid contact with every post. These plugs remain a favorite for budget-conscious audiophiles who refuse to compromise on the structural integrity or the sonic performance of their permanent audio connections. At number 3, the WEG Speaker Banana Plugs. These closed-screw connectors are precision-manufactured from high-quality pure copper and finished with a protective 24K gold plating to maximize electrical conductivity while effectively preventing magnetism. Standing at 45 mm, these universal 4 mm plugs feature intuitive color-coded rings so you can manage your polarity across various wire gauges from 12 to 18 AWG without any soldering. They offer a rock-solid connection for receivers and wall plates alike, and the package is fully supported by round-the-clock customer service and a full 1-year warranty for your peace of mind. The robust build and pure copper core make them an essential staple for any audio enthusiast who values high-octane reliability and clean aesthetics in their wiring setup. These are perfect for those who want a simple, high-performing, and durable solution for their primary home audio distribution or living room theater. Our fourth pick is the Fospower Banana Plugs. Fospower provides a highly secure closed-type plug design that utilizes dual internal screws to create an isolated environment that effectively prevents accidental shorts in your expensive sound system. Ideal for 12 AWG to 18 AWG wiring, these connectors feature durable gold-plated surfaces that fight off oxidation and corrosion to maintain your signal integrity over many years of heavy use. Identifying your positive and negative lines is completely effortless thanks to the bright color-coded collars, making the entire DIY setup process very straightforward for any beginner or expert. Best of all, these rugged and durable plugs come with a limited lifetime warranty, ensuring that your investment in clean audio signal remains protected for the entire life of your equipment. This makes them a top-tier choice for permanent installations where safety, and long-term signal protection are the primary concerns for the user. And for our final pick, the Sewell Deadbolt Banana Plugs. The Sewell Deadbolt series introduces an ingenious and highly effective fast lock mechanism that uses specialized self-crimping teeth to grab your speaker wires firmly without needing any tools. This means you won't need any specialized screwdrivers or messy solder to achieve a professional-grade, high-fidelity connection in your media room in just a matter of seconds. The 24K gold-plated steel tips ensure your audio signal remains pure and undistorted while fitting perfectly into any standard 4 mm binding post on your home theater receiver. Supporting heavy-duty wire up to 8 AWG, these are remarkably versatile and consistent, providing high-fidelity performance that is designed to last for many years of enjoyment. These plugs make the installation process incredibly swift for audiophiles who value time-saving efficiency without sacrificing any level of physical stability or the high-resolution sound quality they demand. And that's a wrap. If this video helped you choose the right product, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews, smart finds, and the latest deals. Have a product you want us to review? Let us know in the comments. Stay tuned, because the next video might just be your next best purchase. See you in the next one.